How to use Disney Plus offline. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Disney Plus offline. So if you want to watch Disney Plus content offline, you must have an active Disney Plus standard or premium plan and a supported mobile device. You can download the movies and TV episode directly with the Disney Plus app and access the later from the downloaded section. So if you want to do this, then you just want to open the Disney Plus app onto your device and locate the movie or TV show you want to download. Once you locate the movie or the TV show that you want to download, click onto the downward pointing arrow. Now for series, you can download individual episode or entire season if the option is available. Then you want to wait for the download to complete. A device icon with a check mark will appear next to the title once it's ready for offline viewing. You can monitor the process of your downloading and the downloads tab, and that's how you'll be able to access the content or that's how you'll be able to access downloaded content. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.